We are like, so we said Photoshop Adobe Creative Cloud. What is Adobe Creative Cloud? Adobe Creative Cloud is an Adobe. In the name of love. In the name of love. Master. Yes. Adobe Creative Cloud. Yes. Is an creative software company by Adobe. Yes. It's a software creative company. Adobe is a creating company. Yes. Created by Adobe. Adobe Creative Cloud. Creative Cloud is an app where you can get to download all apps and softwares. Example of company software. You have the Creative Cloud, which is this. Adobe After Effects. You see, I know all these icons, so I just look at it, then you know the software. After Effects, Animate, Audition, Acrobat, Illustrator, Illustrator, Item, Outlook, InDesign, Lightroom, Photoshop. What is SD used for? For creating user interface. Example of user interface. UI. Yes, UI is an example of user interface. Your app interface where you press, click on. So next, we will be going to Photoshop. Photoshop is an image editing software. You can also use it to edit video or make short video clips. You can also use it to enhance our images, our photos. If I took a raw photo, I can make it with brighter. I can edit it. I can edit me and Emeka together. I can edit where I'm carrying Emeka on my head, going to the ground. Today I'm using for side area. So in anything you can edit a lot of it depends on your imagination. As creative artists, we need to be creative with our imagination. If you can imagine it, you can make it come to life. If we can imagine it, we can make it come to life. Right? Yeah. So that's it. Let's switch over to our Photoshop. So when you open Photoshop, this is what we are going to see. You see your menu toolbar. With the menu toolbar, you have your file, edit, image, layer, type, select, filter, view, plugins, window, and help. Here we have our icon. Here we have new file. To open a new file, to create a new file, open a new file. This is our home, recent documents. If you have been working on but if you have not started with working on anything here, what will happen here? It will be empty. We'll go see. If your oboro is empty, what will be inside? You don't have anything upstairs. So this is it. That is the Photoshop. So let's create a new document. So before you start working on a new document, first thing first is your size. Size. Size very important. If you take a cloth to your tailoring to a tailor, what will be the first thing you do? Measurement. You take your size. Ọ bụ na isi gị buru ibu, ọ bụ na okwu ka ọ na-akpọtara gị isi gị like isi Emeka, ọ bụ isi. What will you do? You measure it. Where is as graphic designer, we are supposed to have our ruler. Where do you have your ruler? Yes, I have my ruler. Where is it, one? It's in the other room. Go and bring your ruler. Where is your ruler? Next time you bring your measurement tape, no ruler. Measurement tape. No, you cannot measure with your hand. Measurement tape. Measurement tape. Yes, stellar. For measurements.